Incredible science experiments you certainly do not know. Turn the bottle with hot water upside down. Put an ice cube on the bottom. The water in the bottle boils. Pour cooking oil and coloring into the glass. Stir them together and mix. Then pour it into the water. A beautiful rainbow shower emerges. Very beautiful. Fold the toothpicks in half. Put them together like the one in the video. Drip water into the middle. Then the bent toothpicks will automatically turn into a pentagram. Blow out the candle. Hold the lighter close to the extinguished white smoke. The candle is lit again. Squeeze detergent into the glass bottle. Wipe the bottle with lemon at the mouth. Then pour in a small amount of sugar. Finally, cover the bottle with your hand. Turn the bottle upside down. The water in the bottle will not flow out. It's amazing. Put a black card in the sealed bag. Put it in the water. The card disappears. Do you know why? Put a drop of ink on a leaf. Put it in the water. The leaf runs in the water. Follow me. Teach you more science experiments.